This assessment allows us to start thinking about how we're going to do synthesis by working backwards to an alkyne that under these conditions would give this alkene. I've gone ahead and redrawn it up here so we don't have to worry about this Weatherman effect and numbered the carbons, 1 through 10. So that tells us automatically that we're going to need a 10-carbon alkyne that is in a ring. These 2 carbons here that are now part of the new alkene are going to be the 2 carbons that are part of the alkyne. And so if we wanted, we could go ahead and label these as carbons 1 and 2. At this point, it becomes as simple as filling in the rest. So this will be carbon 10. This would be carbon 3. Now here's where it might get a little bit awkward because we need to get around to each other by drawing the ring that looks kind of like a real organic molecule. So we'll go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Nope, we won't draw the 4 there. Let's go 4, 3. Close enough. We'll number the carbons. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Even if the geometry is not perfect, we've at least drawn the molecule cyclodecyne, which, if reacted under these conditions, would give this alkene here.